Welcome. My name is Maurizio Delfino. We, meaning me and my colleagues, we are practitioners in the field of fashion, and the purpose of our course will be to share with you our experience and our specialized knowledge about the industry, so that whatever your role in the fashion industry in the future, you will be able to understand and be familiar with the issues and problems which you may come across in the industry, and better able to understand and solve them. This is the purpose of our exercise. Fashion is a peculiar industry. You sell the value of what you will be working with is the value of a dream, and dreams are at the same time fragile and resilient. They are resilient because they resist over time in face of difficulties. Major brands have survived COVID-19 and are doing very successfully, they're doing very well, notwithstanding the crisis. At the same time, they are fragile because they are unique by definition. The value of the brand is very much into immaterial assets. Reputation is part of the value. Compliance with the laws is part of the value of a brand. If the message that you want to sell is positive. Hence, it is important to be familiar with the legal issues that help you align your values with those of the brand or fashion company you will be working with in the future. So let's see now what are the topics that we're going to deal with. Law in Act for the fashion industry is the title of our conversation, of our module of 12 lessons. The topics that we're going to deal with will be the following. Extraordinary transactions in fashion. This will be the first one. It could be, in principle, the most complex, but it is a good introduction. It will include a case study and then the analysis of share purchase agreements in fashion, which would allow you to understand the issues which buyers and sellers address, which are the issues of running a corporation, of running a brand, of making sure that brands may coexist in the same corporate entity. Then we will look at contracts in the fashion industry, and there is going to be a plethora of contracts, supply agreements, licensing agreements, partnership, co-branding, contracts with bloggers, contracts with influencers, each with designers, each with their peculiarities, and each with their special situations that you may come across in the course of your future career. Then issues in fashion real estate. Real estate and retail is an important component of the fashion business. There are different ways to deal with real estate and treat real estate issues. We're going to delve into these. Corporate social responsibility, which is linked to general compliance and ESG issue, environmental, social, governance issues, which are fashionable, an important component of the value of a brand nowadays, and key to understanding the way the market is evolving. Labor, international labor standards in fashion industry, which is an important profile, an important component of legal issues at the same time of the value of the brand. There have been scandals in the industry in the past. There is compliance, has a value. The supply chain is something that all brands live with, and you need control and you need awareness of the issues involved in the industry. Crisis and corporate restructuring the fashion industries, because in the fashion industry you may run into crises, there may be issues, and the issue of corporate governance and the way you manage crisis in fashion is important. It is important to be prepared and to understand what the issues are. This is in a nutshell what we're going to talk about, and we think that this is going to be very important in make you better able to understand and manage the issues that you come across in your future career. Thank you for attending this course, and may I, Law in Act for the fashion industry, and may I address you to the website of Uninettuno for any additional information you may need. Thank you.